The Industrial Revolution was more than just a shift in technology. It was an economic upheaval that transformed societies. Beginning in the late 18th century, this era marked the rise of mechanized production, urbanization, and the global economy. At the heart of the transformation was mechanization. Innovations like the spin jenny, power and loom, and steam engine revolutionized production, making goods faster and cheaper. Factories replaced cottage industries, rehearsing in the age of mass production. But industrialization had its costs. Factory workers endured long hours, low wages, and dangerous conditions. Child labor was common, and urban slums grew as people flocked to cities in search for work. The economic boom came with a streak social consequences. Transportation was another key driver of industrial growth. Railroads powered by steam locomotives connected cities and factories like never before. Faster transportation reduced costs, expanded markets, and fueled economic expansion on unprecedented scale. The impact of industrialization wasn't limited to the factories. Global trade expanded as industrial nations sought raw materials and new markets. Britain, the US, and the Germany emerged as economic powerhouses, while colonies provided resources to fuel industrial growth. Finance, too, evolved. The rise of industrial capitalism saw the growth of stock markets, banking institutions, and investment firms. Entrepreneurs like Rockefeller and Carnegie built business empires, shaping the modern corporate economics. But the workers fought back. Labor unions formed to demand better wages, shorter hours, and safer conditions. Strikes and protests led to key reforms, shaping labor rights that continue to define economies today. By the early 20th century, industrialization had reached new heights. Henry Ford's assembly line model streamlined production, reducing costs and making consumer goods accessible to the masses. The era of mass production had arrived. From steam engines to global markets, the Industrial Revolution reshaped the world. It was an era of invention, inequality, and unprecedented growth, setting up the stage for the modern economic landscape.